What's up guys, welcome back to Spider-Man from the video game Spider-Man 2 with the advanced suit and the black suit. So it's a split portrait one, so it would divide our page in half. Might need a ruler for that. So we'll just go ahead and do that first. Okay, so let's maybe start with the symbiote black suit on this side. So see, his chin will be here, right? And the top of the head, we'll just mark it, it'll be right up here. And now the shape of Spider-Man's head is kind of like a balloon, right? So it comes around. And whatever way this symbiote suit acts, it goes in a little bit here. It's like there's a little bit that bumps in, and then it comes out for his jaw. It's not on the other side, it's just this one. It comes down that way. It's like there's these little lines around his face here. If you know the suit, you'll know what I mean. So then that's big eye, right? So goes up that way, very spiky, and then back down. Like so. And if you want, you can add, there's like a little raised area like underneath here, just like a little lip on the suit itself. And I think it might be like a little thing here too. I don't know though. Just like following that, just down there. And then of course like textures and stuff. As much of that as you'd like to do. Just little bumps and, you know, sort of stuff like this. And you can do as much of this ripply stuff as you'd like. He is very textured. You could do it just smooth as well. You don't have to do the texture obviously, but I kind of like it. So we do his shoulder then. It's coming down this way. And then into there. And then he has all these marks on his shoulder, right? So they're like double sort of lines, right? So one goes down there, and then it goes down and across. It meets another one on his neck. And then I think it just goes down to the middle of his chest. And then this one comes down around the chest muscle. And again, there's all the sort of wrinkles and veins and all sorts of stuff here. And then we have a few more like pads or something on this side. With little lines around the edges of them. And this is all textured symbiote stuff as well. And then we have the symbol on the inside of his chest. So it's just round on top up, spiky here, and then a couple of legs that go right to the edge of his chest, down, and then probably can fit 2 more maybe. Like so, and then as well, like any little textures you want to, wrinkles and stuff you want to do, feel free to add all that stuff. Right, advanced suit. So same thing again. So chin lines up perfectly, top of the head lines up here, and then we go try and get that balloon sort of shape. And this one doesn't have the dip on this side, it just connects pretty perfectly. So just a mirror image. Going down that way. So you can see that shape like a balloon, that sort of shape. And then this eye, so a more normal Spider-Man eye. Goes up that way first. And then the big round loop. Coming around there. And then the white part, so we get the top side. And then the bottom sort of comes around inside here. And if you want, you can add like a little sort of edge. And maybe like a top edge just here, just to make everything look a bit raised up and sort of 3D, you know. Just gives that 3D effect. We get his shoulders. And he has this blue line that bumps down his chest. It's just like here. And it actually runs down his bicep. And then these have like an interior little edge line that you just sort of follow. Just do it again. I think like just like an armpit or something there. And then we get his spider. So this curves across. Like so. Down, and then just like 3 legs. These ones are different to the symbiote side. Whatever you can fit in. So now the webbing. So we'll do the face first. So he has webbing lines going vertical there, so we can't see a lot. There, here, there. And then these just kind of all connect together with these bumping lines. Right, and you actually skip a section, so he's one going down that way, and then there's nothing here, and then it goes. So there's like a gap. on that one, right? And you have two little webs that bump, but we'll just do the other one the same way. Goes down his arm, and then I think maybe one more. So like that one, it like stops there, and it's the webbing that comes across is the one that. So see, like it's a double in here. Yeah, you won't see anything else in there. I think there might be another one in here, probably, because if that came down, yeah, like there. Great video game. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.